Okay, fifth graders, so your homework tonight is writing algebraic expressions. We've been talking about this quite a bit in class the last week or so. Alright, so we know addition. When we hear the word sum, we know it's going to be addition. When we hear the word difference, we know it's going to be subtraction. Product indicates multiplication, and quotient is going to indicate division. So those are just some keywords that we'll be looking for. And then these are just different ways that you can write it. You can write the x first, or you can write for multiplication, you can write the times sign, or you can write it right next to. And for dividing, you can write it as that, or you can write it as a fraction. What is the sum of a and 8? Sum tells us we're going to be adding, so we want a plus 8 for that one. What is the product? Product tells us we're going to multiply of y and 10. And then what do you get when you subtract 9 from b? And then what is c divided by 22? Or we could also write it this way. Either way works. We want to decrease. That tells us we're going to subtract 12 decreased by p in this case. Rewrite each phrase as an algebraic expression. C multiplied by 5, we can do it that way instead of with the multiplication sign. 9 less than e, and since we had a lowercase e, we'll continue with it. P divided by 4, or you could write it this way. 10 larger, we know that must be a plus, larger than y. Triple r, so 3r, or r to the r times 3. Quadruple, 4, quadruple f, 4f. And then write your answer to the word problem. I better move it up here. There are X students trying out for a solo in the chorus concert. Only 6 will be chosen. How many students will not be chosen? So we don't know our total. That will be our X. Only 6 will be chosen. So we'll subtract those 6 to find out how many will not be chosen. And then on this one, there are Y students. We don't know yet. Y students who volunteered to pull weeds in the school garden. The principal said that she wishes she had 3 times as many volunteers. How many volunteers would she like? We want to do 3 times Y in this case, or 3Y, to find out how much the principal would actually like. Alright, that's it. Thanks for working with me today.